Hello traders, in this video I would like to recap the events of this week. This is Alpha Fibonacci System in front of you right now. This is a system in the live markets. It's extremely aggressive trade. This is what scanner looks like, and this is a system. This is the basics that intelligent trader understands. It's a historical high. If you choose to buy this high, you must obey bold pink line. This is a trade that causes a lot of pain. This is a very different market on Thursday versus Sunday night. This is institutional entry point. You knew this hours, days and weeks in advance. So if I change right now to Monday, this is what market look like. Price skyrocketed in Asian session from institutional bottom. There is absolutely no surprise, no speculation here. Intelligent trader knows this. Ultimate place to buy at institutional entry points. This is the system at this level. This is what price looks like. Institutional entry point 4130 level. This is a software at that level. Market is 24/7. Never forget that part. This was stunning and powerful reminder. Institutions not shorting the markets. Institutions keep buying, especially at institutional point of entry. There is nothing in common between being in the markets at that level versus this morning. Let's take it one step at a time. This is the market on Tuesday. Do you remember this? Market stock. It's a chop, it's a pain. This is what software looks like. All precise. We discuss there is no shorts, only longs are present. But if you choose to touch this market, you must obey bold pink line. There is absolutely no shorts, only longs. Brand new historical highs present, but it's a very different buy. It's a very aggressive trade. This is not. Let's go to Wednesday. Price pulling back as expected. There is absolutely no reason to buy. Absolute historical high after excruciating painful crawl in European session. This chop remains. Wednesday officially taking a price for one of the worst and choppiest days on record. How did you do on Wednesday? If you did not place a trade, you're a brilliant, intelligent trader. If you did not babysit this junk, you are in excellent shape. This plays out on all instruments. This plays out in all market conditions. When you master this, you are golden forever on all instruments. There is nothing in common between here versus here, versus here, versus this morning at brand new historical high. There is no reversal zone yet. It's next. This is the power of the system. When you know your trading range, when you understand the difference between institutional points of entry versus day trading crawl, you are in excellent shape. This is what I teach in live classes for the last 11 years. When you understand this and what playing out in front of you, this is the only option this morning. There is nothing else at present. This is a chap this morning, traders. Intelligent trader knew there is no shorts in this market. Intelligent trader knew institutions keep buying viciously the market. Both pink line is a problem. There is no conservative trades. It's an overextended rally. The best case scenario is pain. And that's Alpha Fibonacci system in front of you each and every day. You start your morning with this. You start your morning with day trading range. How viciously institutions buying the markets. How spectacular this chart is. It's a vertical, magnificent rally during the worst health and economic crisis. That's a very powerful reminder. If you want to become top 1%, stop listening to panic and negativity. Start understanding that in order to become top 1%, you must stop doing what majority does. You will never find success in junk indicators. You will never find success in cheap systems. Success lies in trading with institutions. Success lies in trading pure price. And when you do trade pure price, you understand the power of Alpha Fibonacci system during any crisis, during all market conditions. It all starts with this. Knowing where price heading to next. And when you do this, the skies are the limit during any crisis. But it's a very different market. In December 2019, in the crash 2020, in the institutional entry point that you knew many months in advance, there is nothing in common between trading at 2200 level versus trading at 4200 level. When you master this, everything else will be a breeze. So here's a Tesla in the current markets, traders, in front of you. You're looking at the importance of bold pink line. This is a chart that has been present in the trading room for years. But this is identical level on S&P right now. It's the ultimate precision on any instrument you choose to trade, on any time frame. Choice is yours. Identical level right now in front of you on S&P as present in the trading room on Tesla for years. But if I bring your attention to Bitcoin, Bold pink line is a problem to the upside. It never gets solved. The crash on Bitcoin was spectacular. And again, you knew this many months in advance. You are not buying top on Bitcoin. You're not listening to the noise. So, how in the world did Steve know to exit Bitcoin and scale out and not to buy at the top? It's simple. He knew many months in advance where Bitcoin would crash from. He knew it's a quiet before the storm. So when Bitcoin in free fall and Steve exited his position at 50, it's a brilliant move. There is no speculation here. It's a rule-based system. On Bitcoin, to the upside, this is a problem. But it's identical problem in front of you on S&P. Price action remains the same. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. But identical pink line is what Apple respected on in 2015 when Apple came out with the worst earnings. So when Apple doubles in value, it's exact same level that playing out in front of you right now on S&P and Bitcoin. So when Apple reaches next level, and Apple reaches next level, you understand this support is out, Apple in free fall. Apple crashed worse than Bitcoin despite excellent earnings and skyrocketed from the bottom. But again, you knew this many months in advance where the bottom will be. So if you understand the power and precision of this system, this is identical key level right now, as on Tesla, as on Apple, as on Bitcoin, as on Euro, as on any ETF and mutual fund. Price action remains the same. Do not overcomplicate trading. Pretty please. Market is a stepping stone. It all starts with pure price. It all starts with bold pink line. So in the last 11 years, I received thousands and thousands of emails. Traders all over the world trading Alpha Fibonacci System, quitting their jobs, killing it with spectacular effort. Is it options? Of course. Is it stocks? Is it Forex? Is it Nasdaq? Choice is yours. It never gets old, I promise. And when my student says this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. My home is your home. This is what it's all about. And that's the reason I'm writing a book about my journey, because it's not about me, it's about our incredible community. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner trader or a hedge fund trader, pretty please obey that pink line. I can't wait to visit Joseph, to visit Manu, to visit Sue, to visit every single trader, to meet with William this month. It all starts with a bold pink line. The answer lies in your effort. at historical high, you better obey pink line. When market's selling off, you better obey pink line. That's what defines weakness versus power. It's all in front of you every single day. You decide what instrument you want to trade. At historical high, there is no other option. Only pain is present. So if you want to become top 1%, if you're done being a majority that never makes any money, I look forward working with you. Join us in the trading room where you can see the power of the system in the live markets. And when you do, you understand the power and precision of trading institutional system I developed in 2008 and be teaching to traders globally, from beginner to hedge fund manager on all instruments. Listen to podcasts with thousands of emails I receive. Read students' reviews, because if these traders can do it, so can you. Take advantage of the biggest discount ever and choose from group course or private mentoring. All include video library modules, live class and trading room. Hundreds and hundreds of videos in the member area. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Because if you preserve your capital, you think and trade as hedge fund manager does. We are off to the live class. So if you're ready to join us, I look forward to working with you. You can always request invitation for the trading room, but please review in detail all on our website. You can trade any instrument you choose with Alpha Fibonacci System, with software NinjaTrade or any platform. It's a lifetime system. Listen how traders trade globally. Traders of all levels, all backgrounds, on all instruments. View movies traders made about their lives, their journeys, their stories, and choose from option appropriate for you. It's a group course or private mentoring with lifetime system, with live classes, with live trading room, video library modules included. Any questions for me? Please do not hesitate to contact me, but first listen to podcasts and view students' performance and read what students say about course. Any other questions? Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. You serious about trading? I look forward working with you.